Mount Etna, Europe's largest active volcano, located on the Italian island of Sicily, has once again demonstrated the incredible power of nature with an eruption that has rocked the surrounding area. Increased volcanic activity, including thick columns of volcanic ash, incandescent lava, and hot material rising high into the atmosphere, has created dramatic scenes and raised concerns. Since the volcanic activity began, rumbling sounds from within the volcano have been heard in several areas along its slopes. Black smoke mixed with volcanic ash continues to billow, forming a giant column that towers high into the sky. Within a short time, the previously clear sky has turned into a pumpkin patch due to the wind-borne ash. Residents in several villages around Mount Etna have been asked to remain vigilant. Slowly falling volcanic ash has covered roads, rooftops, vehicles, and even farmland. While not all areas are under a state of emergency, authorities are monitoring the volcano 24/7 for a possible escalation. This phenomenon has attracted global attention because Mount Etna is one of the most active volcanoes on the planet. Rising over 3,300 meters, the mountain has experienced hundreds of eruptions throughout history. Most eruptions are effusive, releasing lava flows, but occasionally explosive eruptions can send ash and volcanic rock several kilometers into the air. Video footage and photographs have circulated showing red lava flows flowing down the mountain slopes at night. The incandescent light contrasting with the dark sky creates a spectacular sight and reminds us of the immense energy stored beneath the Earth's surface. This type of volcanic activity also impacts the air transportation sector. The spread of volcanic ash can disrupt flight paths because the fine particles have the potential to damage aircraft engines. Therefore, aviation authorities typically conduct intensive monitoring and adjust flight routes if necessary to ensure safety. In addition to impacting transportation, volcanic ash can also impact people's daily activities. Flying ash particles can reduce visibility and degrade air quality. Therefore, residents in affected areas are advised to wear masks when outdoors and to carefully clean up ash deposits. Volcanologists explain that Mount Etna's eruptions are part of natural geological activity. Sicily is located in an area affected by tectonic plate movements, resulting in relatively high magma activity beneath the Earth's surface. However, each eruption has its own unique characteristics, requiring constant monitoring to quickly detect changes in activity. Volcano monitoring teams use a variety of instruments, including earthquake sensors, ground-level monitors, thermal cameras, and satellite imagery, to monitor Mount Etna's development. This information provides the government with a basis for determining alert levels and mitigation measures if the situation changes. For local residents, Mount Etna is not only a threat, but also a part of daily life. The fertile volcanic soil makes the surrounding area a productive agricultural area. However, whenever volcanic activity increases, residents must prepare for possible ashfall and control activities around the danger zone. This incident serves as another reminder that natural forces cannot control humans. While Mount Etna's eruption presents a stunning sight, safety remains a top priority. Residents and tourists are advised to follow the directions of local authorities, avoid closed areas, and stay informed about official volcanic activity. Mount Etna is expected to continue exhibiting fluctuating activity in keeping with its natural characteristics. Scientists are continuously monitoring the volcano to ensure any changes are detected as quickly as possible so that appropriate precautions can be taken. With preparedness, the impact on communities can be minimized, although this natural phenomenon remains one of the most impactful in the world.